Does your plastics look faded? If so, stay tuned for episode 5 where I show you how to take plastics like this and turn them into this. The tools needed are 2 cans of spray paint that will be for the base color, another 2 cans of spray paint that will be for the secondary color, 1 rag, 1 roll of masking tape, and 1 can of acetone. The first step is to clean the plastics with soap and water with a brush to remove all of the dirt. The second step is to pour a little bit of acetone on a rag and scrub the plastics to make sure the sticker glue and rest of the dirt is removed. Step 3 is to spray the plastics with the base color. Make sure to spray the entire plastics with the base color. Remember to spray both sides of the plastics with the base color. Let the plastics dry overnight. Yesterday you saw us painting the plastics black. Now we're going to tape it off and paint some of it yellow. Step 4 is to mask off the outside of the number plates. Masking is covering a part of the plastics where you don't want another color present. I'm masking out the black so I can paint the number plate inside yellow. Next, I am going to put a TACK coat on the number plate. Let the TACK coat dry for 5 minutes, then put a thicker coat on. In step 6, you can now put the final coat of paint on. But be careful to not put a too heavy of a coat on. You might get drips, runs, or it may take longer to dry. Once you have put the final coat of paint on your plastics, let the plastics dry overnight, and the next morning, carefully peel off the masking tape. That concludes episode 5, Update RM250. Make sure to comment, subscribe, favorite, like, video response, and add as friend. Make sure to follow me on my fan page at Braaaplive2strokes. The link will be in the description below.